how to download and install Binance app on iPhone. First of all, open your app store, and then also make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, go to the search box and type in Binance. Once you come across this application, in the search result, tap on the download button. To begin downloading Binance application, wait until the app gets downloaded and installed on your iOS device. Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume. It offers a platform for buying, selling, and trading hundreds of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many others. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take several minutes, and after it's done, open the Binance application on your device and get started. So that's how you can easily download the Binance application for your iPhone within a couple of minutes. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.